What's up, guys? It's Cam Romes with Inca 4x4, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick install video of this new Gen 3 version of this trail bag. So I've got the bag propped up right now on the back of the tailgate of my Tacoma. As you can see, this new trail bag has this awesome design on the outside. It's also got an accessory bag, straps sewed into the back with the carabiners, and then everything else that you need comes packed inside the bag, the actual straps to strap it to your tailgate. And that's what I'm going to show you guys how to install. So this is what actually comes inside the bag. You've got your two straps and then this accessory little protective cover that protects your tailgate. So these straps will actually strap this protective cover to your tailgate, and then the bag will mount to these straps. And you can see they have these little sewn in carabiner hook placement points, and I'll show you actually how to thread this in. You guys, the easiest way I've found to actually install these straps. So if you take the strap, you see the clip end right here, hold this clip end kind of facing away from you. You will take the strap with the loop end for the carabiner points. Those are facing towards you as well. And you will drop it down in your little tailgate, little slit area. And then you're actually gonna reach in here and grab that loop. So you'll kind of have the hook just sitting here, strap sitting here. You're gonna do that 2 times. I'm gonna show you with the other one too. So again, clip end right here, loops facing toward you. Go ahead and drop this one down in that slit as well and pull it out the other end. And it's just easier doing it this way, I found, instead of trying to fight it, feeding it back up. So with holding those clips, go ahead and shut your tailgate. You can pull them over just for the time being. And this is where you'll actually feed these straps up through the bag. So you're going to take the strap that's hanging down the bottom. You're going to come from the back side of the cover through the bottom hole, back through the center, and then come back out of the top. That's when you actually go into this hook. You're going to want these buckles. You're going to want to work the straps around to when the buckles are actually inside your tailgate. You're gonna see this is kind of how it's actually strapped up. You'll go ahead and cinch these guys down. You'll have this overhang right here. Again, work those buckles into the back. This is pretty much exactly what you're gonna be left with. So the top of the bag will hook in right here, the bottom will hook in right here, and then you can also buckle it in, and I'll show you how that's done real quick. So what I typically do is I'll take the trail bag and I'll actually take the carabiners off the back of the trail bag, and I'll install them actually on the tailgate itself first, and I'll kind of judge, okay, like, yeah, that's about where I want the height, or if I want it lower, you can drop it down a little bit lower. You obviously don't want to block your license plate too bad, but I like to set mine pretty low. If I get pulled over, you know, I can always move it up. But so then you literally just feed the straps, or feed the carabiners in through the strap loops on the back. Then you clip it to the 2 on the bottom and you're literally done. It's like the easiest install ever for a trail bag. Lock your carabiners, that way your bag stays secure. You're literally done. But yeah, guys, this is what the trail bag looks like. A little walk around. Super easy. And I did end up adjusting the carabiners like once or twice just to figure out the exact set point I wanted. But yeah, this thing is not going anywhere. Your tailgate's protected. You got nothing to worry about paint scratch wise. The tailgate still opens, functions all the way just like it did before. This is where the buckle position sits, flat up against the back side of the tailgate. But yeah, again, as always, appreciate Lewis at Inca 4x4. Solid bags, makes good stuff. You guys should definitely check this bag out.